What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market and all the opportunities that it provides, such as DeFi, NFTs, airdrops, passive income IDs, everything that you need to know about crypto. I will be covering every airdrop in the Cosmos ecosystem. So if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, a comment, and I will see you into the next video. Today we will be covering the Jackal DAO airdrop. There is a huge opportunity for everyone to receive this airdrop because the snapshot is not taken yet. So make sure to take advantage of this opportunity. If we come to this page, I will share this page in the description of my video so you can use that. If we come to the page and we go down, we will see this is an airdrop for Secret Network, Juno and Atom. So the 5 topics we will be covering today. What are the requirements for the airdrop? The second one, how to maximize your airdrop. The third one, how to stake Secret Network and stake to the validator Jackal DAO. And the fourth one, when will the snapshot be taken? The fifth and the last one of today, what are the staking rewards for Secret and how to maximize your rewards? Alright, let's get into it. So we can see right here, the development of Jackal products is moving along smoothly. And we are happy to formalize a pre-planned snapshot and airdrop timeline for our growing community. So they will giving you the chance so that you still have the opportunity to stake Secret, Juno or Atom, so you are eligible for the airdrop. So this is really nice for the community that they give you the chance in front. If you're not staking already, go stake right now and you will receive an airdrop. So if we come to the first topic, what are the requirements for the airdrop? If you scroll a bit to the downside, you will see right here, Secret, Atom and Juno stakers are eligible for receiving the Jackal airdrop. The minimum requirement for Secret is 20 Secret. If you look at the price of Secret today, we are at the price of $6. So to be eligible for this airdrop, you should invest $120 at this moment in Secret and go stake it. Now let's take a look for 10 Juno. Juno is at $25, so this will be worth $250 that you need to stake. Atom is at $30, so 10 Atom is $300. So the cheapest option for you to do if you're not staking one of those 3 is Secret. And it's also the better one. Why? Because if you want to maximize your airdrop, there will be a 2x airdrop bonus for those staking with the Jackal DAO Secret Network validator. So if you're delegating your secret tokens to the Jackal DAO validator, you'll receive a 2x airdrop bonus. So for everyone who is not staking one of those 3, I would recommend, this is not financial advice, but I myself, I would start staking this one. I staked it myself 5 days ago for the first time. It's for the first time that I bought Secret because I saw there are a lot of upcoming airdrops for the Secret Network also. So keep that in mind. So the cheapest option at this moment is this one right now, and this will also give you the biggest airdrop. But if you want to receive the biggest airdrop of all of them, you should stake all 3 of them. Alright? So now let's take a look when the snapshot will be taken. The snapshot will begin on April the 9th at 1 PM. So we still have 1 day left to start staking immediately. So for everyone who is not staking right now, go stake if you want to be eligible for this airdrop. So now I will be showing you how to stake Secret Network and stake to the validator Jackal DAO. So if you just go to your Kepler wallet, you choose the network, Secret Network, then we click on to stake. So you can see right here, I'm staking my full amount to the Jackal DAO airdrop to receive the 2x airdrop bonus. But we could also see, if we go back to the page, as a general principle, the Jackal team encourage decentralized communities to conduct sustainable staking practices. Stake with smaller active validators. Stake to multiple active validators. Normally I'm staking to multiple, but now I'm doing this to receive the 2x airdrop bonus. Stake to meaningful contributors to the network. Stake to active validators that often participate in governance. So this is something really good to keep in mind. This can also give you bonuses with a lot of networks who are doing airdrops if you do those 4 things. So keep that in mind. So if you are onto this page and you are already staking your secret, let's say to another validator, What you have to do then is just click onto manage, click on this button and click redelegate. And then you choose just another one, and you don't have to undelegate your tokens and wait for the unbonding period. As you can see back, if we click onto undelegate, we have to wait 21 days for our secret tokens to be liquid again. But if we just click onto redelegate, we can do this immediately. So if you're staking to another validator and you want to stake to Jackal DAO, just click onto redelegate and this will go immediately. Alright, so now I have just deposited some more secret network that I bought on Osmosis. If you want to see a video on how to buy secret network and how to send it, just leave a comment and I will make an upcoming video about that. But for now, I will stake those secret tokens to another validator. I will choose one out of the top 50 and I will go for EZ staking because they are 100% / protected and they have a very low commission. So manage, click on to delegate. This is the same if you want to stake directly to the Jackal DAO. If it's your first time, you just choose, like I choose EZ staking, you choose Jackal DAO, you click on to delegate and then you choose just the amount you want to delegate. I'm gonna do 50 tokens, delegate, approve this transaction, confirm it into your ledger. If you don't have a ledger, make sure to get yourself one so you can protect your crypto. I have a link in the description of my video. If you use that, you are supporting this channel. Thank you very much. Approved. Alright, transaction succeeds. So that's how easy it is. So now we are successfully staking to Jackal DAO 100 tokens and to EZ staking. So now that we have done this and we are gonna be eligible for the airdrop and receive the 2x because we stake to the Jackal DAO, I will stake my other tokens to this one. But after the airdrop, I will split up my tokens into multiple validators to support decentralization. So I will just click on to manage, delegate. I'm gonna do 40 tokens. Always leave some tokens to cover the transaction fees. So don't do the max, never do that. Always take some less. You can do 43, it will work. I'm gonna choose 42 to be sure. Alright, delegate. Same routine, just click approve, confirm it into your ledger. Alright, transaction succeeds. So now that we have staked successfully, we are eligible for the airdrop. For all the people who don't know how to stake their Atom or their Juno, just leave a comment and I will make an upcoming video. So now that we have successfully staked our tokens, the last topic of today, what we will be covering, what are the staking rewards for secret and how to maximize those rewards. Just click onto your Kepler wallet. Make sure you're connected to the secret network and then you will see what are you earning. You are earning 23% yearly onto your tokens. That's a really nice reward. So that's also a reason to stake them. And also you have to know secret is, in my opinion, still very undervalued. If you go take a look at secret and we look at the all-time high, we had $10.38. A lot of people are talking about $15 is inevitable. A lot of people are talking about $15 will happen sooner or later. In my opinion, that's very possible. If we look at the market cap, we have a market cap of 1,999 million to be exact. So there is still a lot of potential and room to grow for secret network in my opinion, but this is not financial advice. Do your own research. So if we come back and we click onto the Kepler, I'm going to explain you how you can maximize your rewards by staking. So it's very simple. In the Cosmos ecosystem, once you start staking, you will see your rewards every second. This will update. So if we look a bit longer at this, you will see 0.000242, but in a couple of seconds or minutes, this will change and it will update. This is my reward. So what can you do? You can just click daily or weekly onto claim and restake them again. And if you do that, you will have more than 23% a year, because you're compounding it daily or weekly. I don't know if daily is good to do because we also have a very small transaction fee that we need to pay. So I will take a look. If you click on to claim, this will cost you 0.005 to do the transaction. So you should have at least 0.005 to claim. Otherwise, it's not good to do. But if you have enough or you have more capital, I would recommend that you restake it weekly and you compound it weekly, and if you can, do it daily, and then you will maximize your staking reward. So that was everything you need to know. If there's any questions, just leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos. Don't forget to check out my Twitter. I'm doing a giveaway. This will end 16th April. I'm giving away one Juno. One Juno is worth $25-30 at this moment, but in my opinion this will be worth a lot more in the future. It feels like buying Ethereum in 2015, but this is my own opinion. Do your own research on this and come and participate in the giveaway that we are doing. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone, bye bye.